All right, Amazon sellers, if you're selling products that have expiration dates, this video is for you. Amazon sellers, so we were involved in litigation representing one of you, representing a real living and breathing and successful Amazon seller. And this seller was sued. It's our file 04661 under the allegations that they were selling expired vitamins. Now, many of you know that vitamin sales can be tremendously profitable, but it is also a tremendously competitive category of products. So our client was accused of selling products that were at or near their expiration dates, and they were sued in court. So we were hired to defend their rights, and I've got to tell you, it was a really, really great resolution. The case wrapped up very, very quickly with a settlement agreement where the brand agreed to accept the expired and or expiring inventory and replace it with inventory that wasn't going to expire for a much longer period of time. So what are the takeaways from this? Number one, if you're selling products that have expiration dates, make sure you have a good lead time so you can buy the products, obtain the products, get them into FBA, and that they can sell well before the expiration date comes. Number two, if you do have a problem and you end up in litigation or you're threatened with litigation, I want you to always keep your eyes and your ears open for a way of resolving the case that gets it out of court as quickly and efficiently as possible. There are often many ways to skin the cat, and as a small to medium-sized business, if you are in litigation, you've already lost in many ways. Now, litigation is often required to resolve things. You can't reach agreements, but every lawyer worth his salt, and I've handled cases from inception all the way through the end of a trial and taking verdicts. The best way to resolve things in a business environment is with a business agreement where both sides benefit, and that's how you want to handle business disputes. If you're in court, get out of court as quickly as possible. If you're not yet in court, do everything you can to resolve the issues without going through the time and the cost of litigation.
If you're selling on Amazon, remember my name, CJ Rosenbaum, AmazonSellersLawyer.com. If you're selling on Amazon, remember my name, CJ Rosenbaum, AmazonSellersLawyer.com. IP complaints against your Amazon account, remember my name, CJ Rosenbaum, AmazonSellersLawyer.com.